Get ready to be amazed! In today's video, we've got the 12 most incredible kinetic gadgets you need to own. From mesmerizing flips to mind-blowing modern incense burners, we've handpicked the best and coolest kinetic gadgets available on Amazon and beyond. Get ready to witness the magic of science and technology with these top trending products. Number 12. Immaterial Studio, the Factory. Step into the mesmerizing world of kinetic gadgets with Immaterial Studio, the Factory. This incredible sculpture takes inspiration from the rugged era of brutalist architecture, resembling a magnificent castle. Watch as steel balls embark on an epic journey, zigzagging through architectural elements like sneaky ninjas, passing gears and spring-like spirals. It's a visual spectacle that will leave you in awe. The intricate design and movements will transport you to another world, almost like facing down the White Walkers on the Night's Watch wall. Get ready to be amazed by the coolest kinetic creation you've ever seen. Number 11. Vortex Dome. Get ready to be mesmerized by the Vortex Dome, the most incredible kinetic gadget for your desk. Spin this gorgeous glass dome, and you'll drown in a sea of captivating color shades. With precision ball bearings at the base, the vortex inside comes to life. The dome contains special viscoscopic fluid with fine mica power, allowing you to witness the beauty of natural vortices like weather patterns and galaxies. And that's not all. The little metallic spring inside is attracted by magnets, making it the perfect tool to clean the dome. It's an excellent gadget to focus your mind while enjoying the coolest desktop distraction ever. So choose your favorite color and get ready to be enchanted by the Vortex Dome. Number 10. Derek Hugger Halo Marble Machine. Get ready to be amazed by the Derek Hugger Halo Marble Machine, a kinetic gadget like no other. This wooden masterpiece runs solely on springs, no fancy electrical stuff needed. Simply give the winder a good spin and let the magic unfold before your eyes. Watch as marbles gracefully make their way down 2 wooden tracks, one at a time. The marble lift mechanism is based on the fascinating physics of eddy currents, which silently limit the speed of the lift ray. This allows each marble to effortlessly travel up to the top of the tracks at a nearly constant speed. It's the coolest and most mesmerizing gadget to add to your collection. Number 9. Gamegenic Crystal Twister. Get ready for the Gamegenic Crystal Twister, the coolest kinetic gadget to elevate your board game sessions. This awesome crystal adds a whole new level of fun to your marathon gaming moments. Assembly is a breeze and no glue is required. Once it's ready, give those dice a toss and watch them take a thrilling ride down the spiral staircase, creating a super satisfying sound. Say goodbye to cheating buddies, as the dice tray keeps them locked and loaded on the table, eliminating the need for embarrassing moments crawling under the table to find them. It's time to amp up the excitement and enjoy endless gaming adventures with the Crystal Twister. Number 8. Euler's Disc. Ready to be amazed by Euler's Disc, one of the coolest kinetic gadgets for your desktop. Watch as this fascinating illusion spins on the mirror, creating a mesmerizing display of light and sound. As the disc rotates, it seems to spin forever, converting gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy. The rhythmic sounds and hypnotic effects will leave you in awe. Want to make it even more captivating? Try using a flashlight or laser in a darkened room with magnetic holographic film. It's an incredible display of science and art, and you won't be able to take your eyes off it. So are you ready to experience the wonder of Euler's Disc? Number 7. Mozi Geometric Magic Flow Bracelet. Enter the world of magic with the Mozi Geometric Magic Flow Bracelet. This incredible kinetic gadget is not only mesmerizing, but also a powerful stress reliever. Watch as it effortlessly transforms from rings into a flowing sculpture that dances up and down your arm. Health professionals recommend it for reducing stress and anxiety. You can explore endless possibilities, running it down your arms, legs, or between your friends. It's a genuine wonder that will captivate you for hours. If you seek relaxation and amazement, the Mozi Geometric Magic Flow Bracelet is a must-have kinetic gadget. Number 6. TOSY Flying Duo. Experience the ultimate playtime with the TOSY Flying Duo. These waterproof and buoyant gadgets offer non-stop fun both in and out of the water. The flying disc boasts 360 bright LEDs with adjustable brightness levels and timer modes, creating a mesmerizing display. The boomerang's patented returning feature and round shape ensure safe and easy catching. Soar up to 50 feet high and 100 feet far with the launcher, adding excitement to your playstyle. Switch to the Professional Ultimate Game Mode for a challenging experience. Their smart designs fit together for easy transport and storage. Rechargeable batteries power the fitted LEDs via a USB Type-C cable. These coolest Kinetic gadgets are a must-have addition to your collection. Number 5. Sovenomund Dancing Ferrofluid. Experience the coolest Kinetic gadget, Sovenomund Dancing Ferrofluid. Witness the magic as this black droplet dances to the beats of your favorite songs. Simply place it near a Bluetooth speaker, laptop, or any music source, and watch it come to life. You can also interact with it and create your own mesmerizing dance moves. This fascinating gadget can entertain you for up to 12 hours on a single charge. Don't miss out on the enchanting dance of the Ferrofluid, and add this incredible gadget to your collection. Number 4. Wind-powered spinning top. This stress relief toy is like a mini storm in your hand, spinning effortlessly for nearly 5 minutes. Crafted from a stainless steel alloy infused with captivating colors, its aesthetic is truly mesmerizing. Place it on a good magnetic platform and it'll spin in place. But the real magic lies in its ability to regenerate. Blow on the top after giving it a spin and watch it come back to life, spinning even faster. It's a hypnotic experience, and as you watch it rotate, you'll feel your worries melt away. Get your own wind-powered spinning top and enter a world of endless mesmerizing spins. Number 3. KinObject's Caldera Backflow Incense Burner. Indulge in relaxation and tranquility with the coolest Kinetic gadget, the mesmerizing Incense Burner. With various high-quality options available, you can choose the perfect one that resonates with your taste. Watch as the incense cone ignites and the smoke gracefully cascades down in a calming backflow effect, creating a captivating water-like flow. Each cone offers around 15 minutes of soothing ambience, creating a serene atmosphere to unwind and find peace of mind. Elevate your space with the beauty and serenity of these incense burners, bringing a touch of tranquility to your surroundings. Number 2. The Market Series A. Discover the coolest Kinetic gadget, the Market Series A Smart Financial Sculpture. This modern and nostalgic Kinetic sculpture beautifully captures the essence of the financial markets, reflecting the shifts from bull to bear and back again. With Wi-Fi connectivity, it can track 11 global stock market indices and 5 major cryptocurrencies. Watch in real time as the sculpture tilts to accurately indicate day-to-day market changes with an impressive accuracy of up to 0.1%. The accompanying app gives you the power to customize which index or cryptocurrency your market is tracking and how often it updates. Stay connected and informed with financial market movements in a unique and elegant way through the Market Series A Smart Financial Sculpture. Number 1. DMaos Fidget Cube Spinner. Discover the ultimate Kinetic gadgets for stress relief, the Sensory Fidget Spinner toys. Crafted with top-notch brass metal, these little wonders are designed to help you relax and let go of stress and anxiety. Say goodbye to nail biting, smoking, and other stress-related habits as you spin away your worries. Embrace a calmer and more peaceful state of mind with these sensory fidget spinner toys. Wow, aren't those Kinetic gadgets simply mind-blowing? Let us know in the comments which one blew your mind the most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this.